Hey guys, it's Zac Boroos here from Blake and Fulenwider Dodge here in Eastland, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to use your key fob to open and close your lift gate on the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. To open and close the lift gate, it's super easy to use. You'll find this little icon right here on your key fob. You're going to double tap it and that should open it up. There we go. Now to close it, the same exact thing. You're going to go back down, double tap it again, and it goes down just like that. Super easy way to work your lift gate without having to be near your vehicle. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions or anything else you would like to know about this beauty, you can get a hold of me at 254-433-6939. Or you can come down here and visit us at 9610 Interstate 20, Eastland, Texas. Thank you.